Hello, my name is Yolanda Cuesta, and from Creativity Spark, we want to share this app, and the name of the app is Power Apps Formulas Glossary. In the first screen, you can see all the formulas in Power Apps. If you need to know something more about each of them, you only have to press here. In this screen, you can see the name of the formula, the description, and also a link to the Microsoft official site in order to see more information and exercises. If we go back, we can also here search for different words. For example, if you need formulas working with columns, you only have to write here the word and all the formulas related are shown here. If you need to add a new formula, you can press in this element and write it. I hope you enjoy and learn a lot with this app. And see you next video. Bye bye.